Alright, example 7 here. We got the integral of t over the square root of 1 minus t to the fourth dt. So first of all, I'm going to rewrite this as the integral of t all over the square root of 1 squared minus t squared squared dt. Then I'm going to let u equal t squared, where du equals 2t dt. So then I don't have a 2t in here, so I'm going to put a 2 here, put a 1/2 out in front to even it out. And then this equals du. So I'm going to have 1/2 the integral du all over the square root of 1 squared minus u squared, where this would become this rule, which is 1/2 arc sine of u, which is t squared, over a, which is 1, plus c. So that one wasn't too bad. Let's look at example 8. Example 8. So notice if we let the denominator here, this x squared plus 6x plus 13, notice if I let that equal to u, I'm going to get du equals 2x plus 6 dx. So now, if I let this integral equal 2x plus 6 minus 6, dx minus 6, and then I'll keep the denominator the same, the x squared plus 6x plus 13, x squared plus 6x plus 13 dx. This guy here, this would be du, this would be u. So this is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of u, where u is x squared plus 6x plus 13 plus c. So we have that half of it. The other half here, this guy, I'm going to have to complete the square. So I'm going to say y equals x squared plus 6x plus 13. I'm going to move the 13 to the other side. Then I'll put plus c on both sides. Then to find c, I'll take half of 6 and square it, which would be 9. So now everywhere there is a c, I will replace that with 9. This factors into x plus 3 squared. This becomes y minus 4. So y equals x plus 3 squared plus 4. Now it becomes this guy. So now this is going to be minus 6 all over dx all over, I'll make this 4, which is 2 squared plus x plus 3 squared. I'm going to let u for this one equal x plus 3, where du equals dx. So then I'm going to have minus 6, the integral du all over 2 squared plus u squared. And then this would become minus 6. And then it's going to be this rule here. So it's going to be minus 6, and then times 1 over 2 arc tangent of u, which is x plus 3, over a, which is 2, plus c. So then when you add c plus c, it's still going to be some constant. So your final answer is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of x squared plus 6x plus 13 minus, multiply here, make this minus 3 times arc tangent x plus 3 divided by 2 plus c. That would be our final answer.